Okay, we've got fractions here. First things first, formula. B is the y value minus the slope times the x. So what's the y value here? -6 minus parentheses, parentheses. M value, -3/2. X value, 2. Bring down the -6 and the minus and just one parentheses. So now I'm going to, off to the side, multiply out -3/2 times 2. The 2's divide out. This gives me just -3. Simplify. -6 minus minus means plus. Bring the 3. B is -3. Last one, another fraction. Formula. B equals the y value minus the slope times the x. B equals, what's the y? 9 minus slope 1/3 x -6. Off to the side, I'm going to multiply 1/3 and -6. That's -6/3, which is -2. So 9 minus one set of parentheses now. The answer to that multiplication problem is -2. Clean it up. Minus minus means plus. 9 plus 2 is 11. The initial value here is 11. That's it. Time for the exit ticket. As always, when you get to the question asking you for the initial value, just put the number. So you would just put 11. Do not put B equals or you'll get it wrong, okay? That's it. You're ready.